Hi everyone, I'm Kate McCauley. Welcome to Sneak Peek Week. This is the new dress. This is the Going Places dress. There are two silhouettes with this dress. There is the fitted silhouette, and within that we have the classic, and then we have the flounce, which you'll see in a sec. And then there is the fit and flare silhouette. And within that one, we have a knee length, a midi, and a maxi length. Now both designs share a fitted bodice. They share the same 5 necklines. So we have the boat neckline, which is the highest neckline. We have a mid neckline called the ballet neckline, and then we have the babe neckline, which is the gorgeous scooped low rounded neckline. We then have 2 squared necklines. We have the high one, which is this one here, and we have the low squared neckline. Both silhouettes also share the same back. And this is my favourite part of the pattern. Beautiful wide straps, low back, covering the bra. Now this dress is designed to actually cover the bra straps. So even though you have the low back here and it's quite strappy, the design of the strap is designed to cover your strap. And you'll see in the tutorial how you can easily adjust that and position that depending on what bra you choose to wear under your dress. Now, fabrics. 4-way stretch knit fabrics. There is a wide variety of fabrics that fall under that 4-way stretch knit fabric banner. For instance, this one is scuba. You can use Liverpool, you can use Ponte, you can use cotton lycra, stretch crepe, double brush poly, single brush poly, spruce spandex, viscose elastane, rayon elastane, and all of those types of fabrics, bamboo elastane, modal, and then the ladies have used all sorts of fabrics that you'll see starting tomorrow in Sneak Peek Week. So let's go through the dresses. So this is a scuba knit. It is obviously the fitted, and it is a high squared neckline, and with the beautiful open back. And then I've just popped on some strappy shoes and I can go out. So yeah, how good is that pattern placement to highlight my waist? All right, let me take you through the rest. I have to show you my little black dress in the boat neck next. It is gorgeous. How perfect is a little black dress for a chic, sophisticated statement? Boat neck, I'm all covered up at the front. I have the gorgeous little feminine flounce at the bottom, which is available in the pattern for the fitted version. And then I turn around. I love it. This one was such a surprise for me because I didn't expect it to be so sexy, I guess, because it is so covered at the front. But then you just have that at the back, and it's just so pretty. Now, if you're wanting to go a little bit more casual with this dress, it really is as simple as just changing your fabric. This is a very stretchy, it's a European fabric. It feels to me like a sweater knit, like it's very brushed and it's very soft, and it's really, really beautiful. Let me show you the back. I did make an allowance for the bands. I just made them a little bit smaller. And this one is from Wattle Hill Fabrics, and it is so gorgeous. And I've just slipped on a pair of chunky sandals just to casual it down a bit. And it's perfect for going out to lunch, easy summer's day, even just hanging around at home. How fantastic does the stripe look? So this is just a rib knit, and I've used viscose elastane for the bands, so it gives that the tightness that a rib would need to hold the dress in properly. Now, if you're the sort of person that likes to cover up your arms, I would recommend the My Embrace, which is this one, or the Songbird. So really simple, really easy. They come in a variety of lengths, and it's such a cute little outfit. Again, just really simple and easy, and both of these are really easy to make, but you've got a really simple chic look that you can just get up and go. Is it really a Emporium pattern release if I don't use my favourite fabric? This is the boat neck, and of course the strappy back. And it's a scuba knit, and I have used scuba for the bindings, but I would recommend something with a little bit more resilience. Loving that centre back seam. Oh, something I didn't mention too. You know how the magic butt that we have in the Friday Feels and the In My Stride? We have it here too. How amazing does this boost spandex look? So I've done the fitted with the flounce. Look at the magic butt. Look at that, I love it. But I did a little pattern hack that I think you're gonna like. So easy. How cute do those straps look? So this is the low squared neckline. And like I said, pattern hack on the back, bound edges, fitted and flounce. And it is so, it makes a real statement just in a really simple way. It doesn't have to be fussy. You don't have to have a lot going on. Just a good fabric, great pair of shoes, do your hair, and off you go. And then you could even add a maxi songbird to make a really gorgeous statement. Okay, let's move on to the vision flare. How simple is this? And just beautiful, casual, feminine. You have that fitted bodice, which I think accentuates the waist, and then just that feminine flare down the bottom. It's just fun, casual, summery. Oh, this is the ballet neckline, which is the mid-rounded neckline, and it's in a poly jersey. Totally cute. Same dress, different fabric, totally different look. This is a really soft, really stretchy viscose elastane from fabrics.com. So I did cotton lycra on the neck and the bands, as you can see. And it just creates this gorgeously feminine, easy breezy, easy to make, easy to wear dress. And the ballet neckline. Fit and flare, boat neck, viscose elastane. How pretty is that? Now this one is one of my favourites for the whole release. It is a very, very stretchy, both ways, ITY. I've done the low neck, bound edges, and it just, look how tall I look. I just love it. And I'm not tall, I'm 5'4", I'm not tall. And it just makes me feel elegant and casual and tall. And it just makes a really good statement. I could spin for hours. And this gorgeous thing, isn't that amazing? And the way that it flows out behind you when you walk and twirl. This one is the low squared neckline, so it does sit quite low. And then of course the open back in the maxi length and the fit and flare. This is, again, very, very stretchy. It's a Telio viscose elastane. Now the one thing to remember when you are using such a stretchy fabric like a viscose elastane, rayon elastane, ITY, sometimes a double or single brush poly, is that when you make the maxi, it will grow. So you may have to make an allowance on the length of your straps, but just try it on and then you can cut the length and cut the straps to whatever length suits you. So this one is actually not for me. This one's for my daughter, and she doesn't ask for clothes to be made very often, so I was thrilled. If you love the straps but prefer a little bit more coverage, then pop a little t-shirt underneath. Just keep the t-shirt fitted, the one that's underneath, and pop it on with the fit and flare. How cute is that for a little pinafore? So this is the fit and flare in the maxi in a fabric with a huge amount of body. So it's cute, it works. Let's talk pattern hacks. So there's lots of patterns that you can combine with this pattern to change the dress. If you would like the fitted style like this, but you want the back closed or you want a sleeve, then you would use either the Spellbound or the Wanderlust. Now this is combined with the Spellbound. I've used the low neck and you can see my back's covered and it is that gorgeous fitted shape. If you wanted a sleeve, then you would use the Wanderlust. So you'd use the bodice from the Wanderlust and the bottom from the Going Places dress. And you can even combine certain sleeves from other patterns. So if you wanted a bishop sleeve, you could use the Starstruck or the True Romance pattern. Or if you wanted that little puff sleeve, you can combine the Going Places bottom with the Wanderlust bodice and then one of those sleeves. Oh, and also you can use a sleeve from the Keep It Simple Babe. If you wanted to add one of the flounces or the high-low hemlines from the In My Stride to this fitted shape, you can do that too. So lovely and simple, and this is just a really simple basic poly jersey with kind of like a crepey feel to it. Last but not least, I have made a little swim top. So I just cut it on the fitted dress and did everything as normal, just used a swim fabric. And it's pretty cute. I've also got my bra underneath just to show you that you can wear your bikini top underneath if you needed that little bit of extra support. So super easy and cute. And this is the low squared neckline, and super easy with the sachet shorts in swim fabric as well. It's a cute little beach outfit. Or combine it with one of our skirts for a sensational going out outfit. This is the Symphony skirt in Liverpool. What about the full flare option? Same skirt, but different flare. Look at that. How stunning is that? With the In My Stride skirt, with the magic butt. Okay, let's quickly summarise and go over all the options available to you in the pattern, which will be out next week. So there are the two different silhouettes. There is the fitted, and you have the classic or the flounce. The fit and flare, the knee length, you have a midi length and you have a maxi length. There are 5 necklines. There is the boat neck, the ballet neck, and the babe neck. And then you have the squared neckline, the high and the low in that. You have the wide straps. You have the low back, but high enough to cover your bra. You have a fitted bodice. And then you have either binding or banded edges. It's totally up to you which one you use. You can mash it with the In My Stride, the Wanderlust, Spellbound, and you can also combine the sleeve with the Wanderlust of the Starstruck, the True Romance, Hello Gorgeous puff sleeve, and the Keep It Simple Babe, or the sleeve, the flounce sleeve from the actual Wanderlust pattern, or the fitted sleeve from the Wanderlust pattern. It's totally up to you. There are so many options that you can use to create a look that suits you perfectly.